Everybody has that one product, that idea that you think, I could have come up with that idea. That could have been my $1 million idea. This made me think, who or why was the Q-tip invented? Well, it was actually invented in the 1920s, and it was originally called the baby gay. And what it was for was to help to clean children's ears. Now, we know today that we should not be putting Q-tips in our ears to clean our ears. You shouldn't be putting anything in your ear smaller than your elbow. Take a look at this wax removal as we see what happens when you use Q-tips and it mashes that wax down the ear canal. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of wax and hair all put together, kind of in a ball. It's really just stuck together, and as I use the curette to remove it, it's going to come out in a nice big glob, relieving pressure from the patient's ear canal. This is what it looks like when it came out on the paper, and now I'm going to put it next to a ruler to actually give you a sense of the real size. This thing is rock hard, it's hair and wax mashed together, and it's about the size of a pea. It's kind of crazy that that can come out of one patient's ear. Now, we do know as we look back in that Q-tips mush things down into the ear and can prevent things from coming out. But how do we know that it was actually a Q-tip that did it rather than just a natural occurrence? Well, there's a few things. First, wax is produced in the outer 1/3 of the ear canal. So when we get down into the inner 2/3, we know that something's pushed it down. Second, when we look at this other ear, you can actually see the indentation of the end of the Q-tip in that wax. Now, there's not nearly as much on this side as the other side, but that doesn't mean that the wax wasn't pushed back by the Q-tips. So today, we should be using Q-tips for makeup removal or household cleanings or things like that. Please don't be using them to remove wax. Yes, the original invention in the 1920s, that's what it was designed for, was cleaning the ears, but in 2023, we really want to get away from that. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and I hope to see you in the next video. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thanks again.